Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Let's create the perfect daily routine in just 59 seconds. Morning, wake up at 5:30 a.m. Hydrate yourself, drink a glass of water. Spend 10 minutes meditating to clear your mind. Exercise for 30 minutes, it boosts energy and focus. Eat a healthy breakfast with protein and fruits. Daytime? Set 3 major goals for the day. Follow the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Avoid distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Evening. Dedicate 1 hour to learning. Read, watch educational videos, or practice a skill. Reflect. Write down 3 wins of the day and plan for tomorrow. Night. Wind down with 30 minutes of relaxation. No screens, just journaling or reading. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours, no compromise. Stick to this routine daily, and you'll transform your life in no time. Consistency is key. Start now. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Or